Are you tired of dealing with hard water issues like scale buildup and dry skin? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, HQUA WF301. The HQUA WF301 3-stage whole house water filtration system caught my attention with its hefty filtration capabilities and a price tag of $349.99. If you want to improve your water taste and ensure it's safe for your family, this is worth a serious look. This system tackles some serious issues. It filters out heavy metals like lead and mercury, along with sediment and bad odors. Imagine sipping water that could have previously contained harmful contaminants. The 3 big blue filters can handle up to 100,000 gallons, which means you won't be changing them every month. The built-in pressure gauges help you keep tabs on clogging, and the 180-day timer reminds you when to replace the filters. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Clean, safe water can improve your health and that of your family. Now, some people complained about the size, noting it might take up too much space in smaller homes. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger family or live in an area with poor water quality, that extra space is worth it for the peace of mind you'll get. This is perfect for you if you're looking for comprehensive filtration that removes harmful substances. Skip this one if you live in a small apartment and need something more compact. For $349.99, it's a solid investment in your family's health. Now, if HQUA's size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the iSpring ED2000 Whole House Water Descaler, priced at just $98.16. If you want a simple way to combat hard water without the hassle of salt, this is definitely worth considering. The ED2000 uses electronic descaling technology, which means it prevents limescale buildup without chemicals or salt. This is especially beneficial for your appliances, extending their life and efficiency. You won't believe how easy it is to install. No plumbing changes are needed. This is a huge plus for many homeowners. It's designed for very hard water areas, and users have noted a significant reduction in scale after just a few months. Here's why this matters for you. Keeping your pipes and appliances free of scale not only saves money on repairs, but also improves water quality. Some users mentioned that it takes time to see results. I get it, waiting can be frustrating, but remember, this is a gradual process that's healthier in the long run compared to traditional salt systems. This is perfect for anyone looking for a salt-free, low-maintenance solution to hard water issues. Skip this if you're dealing with extremely hard water over 19 grains per gallon, as it may not be as effective. For $98.16, it's a budget-friendly option that delivers on its promises. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more traditional filtration system.
Product number 3, iSpring WGB21B. Let's talk about the iSpring WGB21B 2-stage whole house water filtration system, priced at $140.39. If you need a reliable filtration system without breaking the bank, this one's worth a look. This system features a 2-stage filtration process that effectively removes chlorine, sediment, and bad odors. The 10-inch filters can clean up to 50,000 gallons over a year, making it perfect for a family of 4. With 1-inch inlet and outlet ports, this system maintains a fast water flow without pressure loss. What does this mean for you? Cleaner water throughout your house leads to healthier skin and better tasting food. Plus, it won't strip essential minerals from your water like reverse osmosis systems do. A few users have reported that the installation isn't as straightforward as advertised. I'll be real with you. While it's designed for DIY installation, having a bit of plumbing knowledge helps. But if you're willing to put in some effort, the benefits far outweigh this minor hurdle. This is ideal for families seeking a balance of cost and performance in water filtration. Skip this if you're looking for a system that softens water. It's strictly for filtration. At $140.39, it offers excellent value for clean, safe water. Now, if you're looking for salt-free softening, the next product might just fit your needs perfectly. Next is product number 4,
The A.O. Smith Whole House Salt-Free Descaler System, listed at $346.79. If you prefer a salt-free alternative to typical water softeners, this one deserves your attention. This system reduces scale buildup without the need for salt or chemicals, which is a huge plus for your health and the environment. It's effective for moderate hardness, works with both city and well water, and lasts up to 600,000 gallons. Imagine not having to lug around heavy bags of salt. This system is particularly beneficial for families wanting to maintain healthy minerals in their water, while reducing crusty buildup in pipes and appliances. However, some users have pointed out that it doesn't actually soften the water, which can be a downside if you're expecting that. Here's the thing though. If your main concern is scale and not the hardness itself, this system is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting solution to prevent scale without compromising water quality. Skip this if you need a traditional water softener, because it won't meet that need. At $346.79, it's a cost-effective solution for maintaining your home's plumbing. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly but still effective, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, DYL SDFQ 3-Stage Filter. We have the DYL SDFQ Whole House Water Filter System, priced at $184.29. If you want a filtration system that's easy to install and maintain, you should definitely consider this one. This 3-stage system tackles chlorine, rust, and unpleasant tastes, ensuring every drop of water is clean and safe for your family. With a flow rate of 15 gallons per minute, you won't have to worry about water pressure during showers or when running multiple faucets. Plus, it includes 2 extra filter sets, so you're covered for up to 2 years right out of the box. This is crucial because replacing filters regularly is key to maintaining water quality. Some users mentioned it's not as durable as they hoped, with some components feeling a bit flimsy. But here's my take. If you handle it with care and keep up with maintenance, it should serve you well. This is a great option if you want a straightforward, effective filtration system that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty solution for very hard water, as it's more suited for general filtration. For $184.29, it's a practical choice that delivers fresh, clean water. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap things up. We've looked at 5 solid options for whole house water softeners and filtration systems. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the HQWA WF3-01 because of its comprehensive filtration capabilities and long-lasting performance. On the flip side, I'd avoid the A.O. Smith Descaler if you're specifically looking for a water softener, as it doesn't soften water. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.